So how do you open the Apple Watch without a passcode? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important. So if you don't like that you have to type in your passcode every single time on the watch, what you have to do is to open up the watch app on the iPhone, check out the passcode section, and you have the ability to turn off the passcode right there. So it's like the first option at the top. So naturally, it would be a good idea to disable it completely if you don't feel like ever using this feature. You just want to have your Apple Watch ready to be used. Naturally, it's kind of less secure, and you're also not going to be able to use the cards for Apple Pay if you don't have passcode set up. So you need to keep that in mind as well. One other thing is the wrist detection. So if you're using a passcode, wrist detection locks your watch when you're not wearing it, so your information stays secure. And that's really useful because when you do have your Apple Watch on the wrist, you don't have to retype the passcode every single time you look at the wrist and want to get inside. So I recommend you to have the wrist detection enabled in case you decided that you need or want to have the passcode turned on your Apple Watch. So that would be about it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.